Hey everyone! Tired of playing mobile games just for fun? What if I told you there's an app that actually pays you to play? In this video, I'll introduce you to a free app that lets you earn cash rewards just by playing your favorite casual games on your phone. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. I'm always sharing amazing and effective methods to make money online, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe. It would be great if you commented down below from which country you're watching this video, so I can create specific videos for your region. Now, let's get started. Check this out. Did you know there's a free app that actually pays you to play mobile games? It's called Cash Cow. Cash Cow is a free app that lets you earn money by playing mobile games. The main way to earn from Cash Cow is by playing its featured mobile games. When you log into the app, you will immediately see all the available games that you can play. To start the earning process, select the game you want to play and click on it. Then, you will be asked to download and install it on your device. Once it is installed, you must go back to the Cash Cow app and click on the My Library section. You will now see the game installed. This is a very important step that you must remember. You must make sure that you open the game from Cash Cow and not directly from your phone's menu. This way, Cash Cow can detect how long you have been playing the game. The longer you play a game, the fewer coins you earn. This system is designed to encourage you to try different games if you want to maximize your earnings. This is a very common system employed by such apps. You can increase your earnings by answering given surveys. When you see a survey, just click on it. Once you complete the survey, you will get the promised coins as a reward. Finally, you can earn extra coins through its referral program. All you have to do is share your invitation link with the people you invite. Then, when they click the link and install the app, they must complete the registration. Once they are registered, they become your referral. As a reward, you will get 100 coins. In addition to this, you will earn a 25% commission every time your referral earns. Your referrals will also get the same commission when you earn. You can redeem the rewards cash through PayPal or gift cards from Amazon, Sephora, Zalora, and more. Thanks for watching. If you found the video valuable, please support us by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos. See you next time.